Okay, we have the model. So it is working. It's a bit heavy, quite a bit heavy actually. Yeah, so the idea is just select this description of what's going on, what's wrong, semiology of epileptic seizure or anything wrong with the brain, and it will actually indicate which parts of the brain are affected. Question is, how do we deploy this thing? Do we need to keep it a Flask application, or can we have the model? Can we turn it into? Can we get rid of the backend? That's the real question. As we have GPT-4 with canvas. We should have a project structure. Yeah, I don't know why it's so large. Yeah, an application like this, as it is set up at the moment, will require quite a bit of server space, but would like to turn it into something lighter. We have that semiology example is what's being loaded here, isn't it? Yeah, and JSON file should be fine. Okay, so we have a model of the brain that is only 25 megabytes. Can I have it in a static folder? The question is, can I have no backend and for this application, web application, to still work? I don't know, seizure zone is a good name. Yeah, I don't want to load anything from my server. Can we load any external JavaScripts from the CDN, as what we currently have in the code that I shared before works just fine? Yep, we have the single index.html with the JavaScript embedded in it. We don't need the backend Python. The index.html just goes straight into the main folder. Okay, we simplified it quite a bit, but not enough. Yeah, I was asking about the stack. So there's no stack, it's whatever ChatGPT tells us to do. But yes, it's Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Yes, we do train models. You can find another tool on the site with recent model training. So obviously all the training is happening on the server and the results are displayed on the site. Yeah, there's 18 runs of training, and you can see all the accuracy, loss functions, confusion matrix, the misclassified images, and the training log with all the model settings and the accuracy and the performance. So that's on the page as well. So we are training models. We do like to do more training, but we don't just do training for the sake of training. So in most cases, training is not actually necessary. Most things are much more basic as far as I can tell. So more focused on like high quality data, yeah, measuring how good data is, also trying to synthesize data, which we have lots of tools on for EEG and ECG. So yeah, we're kind of trying to focus on the basics.